In this video, I'm sharing how I find vintage and secondhand kimono, yukata, obi, and accessories from Japan. Whether you're curious about wearing kimono, upcycling, or simply admiring their beauty, I hope this inspires you and gives you a few tools to start your own kimono journey. I have not experienced Kitsuke without sweating. That has not happened yet. My obi is too short, so I can't get the entirety of this obi design or obi musubi. Yeah, I definitely need a longer hanhaba obi. It's a good try. Depending on how you plan to wear or use kimono, the way you search might look a little different. One way to enjoy kimono is to simply pick pieces you like and wear them however you like. Another approach is to learn your measurements and look for kimono that fit your body and follow the traditional Kitsuke process. A third way is to upcycle kimono or obi fabric into something new, like a bag, a pair of pants, a skirt, or even home decor, by looking for textures, colors, and materials that speak to you. Whichever path you take, it's all about personal expression and connection to the material, to tradition, and to your own creativity. In Japanese, there's a word Mottainai that expresses a deep respect for resources and a sense of care not to let things go to waste. Mottainai is often translated as "what a waste," but the concept goes beyond that. It's about recognizing the potential in things, reusing what we can, and honoring the life within the materials we use. And yet, in modern Japan, many vintage kimono are being discarded, donated, or forgotten, especially as the population ages and fewer people wear traditional clothing. Kimono were made to last for generations, and there's something deeply satisfying about caring for them, learning how to wear them, or even transforming them into something new. Rather than letting them disappear, I love giving these beautiful garments a second life. And I'm not alone. There's a growing movement to revive the art of wearing kimono and reimagining their fabric in creative ways. My favorite way to find kimono is by visiting secondhand kimono shops in Japan. Outside of Japan, I like to use Yahoo Japan Auctions website, along with the Proxy shipping service. For that, I use a service called One Map from Japan. Not to worry, your browser built-in translation tools can help automatically translate the Japanese into your language. And once you're on the Proxy site, it provides translation and currency conversion, so it's not too difficult to navigate. To find items, I search using a combination of relevant keywords. I also filter the results by condition to find items with or without stains or damage. That's very helpful when I'm looking for something wearable and in good condition. Taking a look at the seller's rating in their shop is a good idea too. It gives me a sense of how knowledgeable and active they are in the world of kimono. When I find a piece I'm interested in bidding on, I copy the Yahoo auction item page address and paste it into my favorites list on the Proxy site. I can then place a bid from the Proxy site. I usually bid on items that don't have a lot of attention, so setting my bid price at or near the asking price often works. The Proxy service will notify me on the status of the bids, receives the items at their warehouse, and allows me to bundle multiple items into one shipment. I usually choose shipping by sea mail because it's the most affordable option, and I'm totally fine waiting for 2 to 3 months for the box to arrive. That's my thrifty side at its best. I highly recommend knowing your basic measurements, such as your height in centimeters and the length from the center of your back to your wrist. I would be considered tall in Japan, so there are fewer options when it comes to kimono that offer proper length for ohashori. Many older kimono run quite small, but that just means I get to turn them into remake pieces. Sometimes I find really special items in bundles, like tall-size kimono or pieces in almost new condition. These bundles often include a mix of older and newer garments, different sizes, and varying levels of wear. Some are perfect for remaking, some can be worn right away. It all depends on your preferences and imagination. He hates it. I know, it's a weird material. I know, but okay. At first, it felt like a maze. All the kimono terminology, the layout, the sheer number of listings. But once I learned the search terms that matter to me, it got easier. And I even got to practice my Japanese. These are all good things. What began as a simple curiosity has become a fulfilling, creative journey. A little bit treasure hunt, a little bit self-expression, and a way to honor beauty from the past. I'd love to hear how you find kimono, or what kind of pieces you're drawn to. Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.